We'll guide you through how to create YouTube Shorts on CapCut PC. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in CapCut PC, and you're wanting to go and make a YouTube Short or even multiple. We're going to guide you through how this is done. Make sure it's this full guide and don't skip ahead, otherwise you may go and miss an important part of this video. So to go and get started, we can import some media we want to go and use. You can come to the top left and press media and press import. Then what you need to do is go and find the video you want to use with. I'll go and use this here and press open. And there it is there. Now what we need to do is we need to go and set this up correctly. Now there are some requirements for YouTube Shorts. So what you need to do is it needs to be less than 3 minutes, 180 seconds. And also it needs to be in the vertical format. So what we're going to do here is go and drag and drop this media in. If you've got multiple, you can go and use multiple bits of media. After you want to add it in a video, you need to come beneath the preview and where it says ratio, click there, and you can go and set it to 9:16. That's the vertical format. So what you can then do with your video is you can go and click on it, and you can then go and use the corner points to resize it, or come into video basic and scale and just go and increase it so it goes and fills up the blank space, and you can go and adjust it by clicking and holding the preview. Or alternatively, what you can do is you can come into video and then you come into a basic and you want to go and scroll down and find canvas and expand it. And where it says none, you could go and select blur, and you can choose a blur, and then it will just go and blur an enlarged version of the background, as you can see. So you can go and choose that to your liking. I'm going to go and have it like this. And then what I'm going to do is go and choose the part of the video I want to go and create the short with, like that. Now, what you can also do is go and add in other images over it. You could add in overlays. You can go and add in text, different effects, and there are lots of different things you can do with CapCut, transitions, and loads of stuff in the top left here. Then when you're ready, you want to go and press export in the top right, and you can go and choose the name of it, and you can choose where you want to export it to. I'll put it on the desktop and go and press export. It's now completed. What we can then do is come to YouTube. I've got it in my browser here already. Press create in the top right and press upload video. We can then press select files, and we'll come onto my desktop, and you can select the video and go and press open. And we're now uploading it, and it's now going to go and upload as a short. You can go through and go and complete the details as you usually would. You can go and see here that it's a short by the video link.